Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this pretty cool, easy to mount car mount for your phone by this company, Heveis, Heveis, I think. Very cool. Now, how it works is on the back, you have a little clip. It's super easy to use. Basically, all you do is you just spin this and there's a little hook. And so you don't have to worry about damaging your car or anything like that. And the hook, like this, goes around one of your vents. He just goes all the way around, and then you tighten it. And so it's not gonna, you don't have to worry about mounting something on your dash or somewhere that's gonna damage it. And then you have a screw here at the back that allows you to adjust your phone into the right position, and you can tighten it. Pretty cool. And how the phone goes in there is really simple. So you take the phone, you set it in there, and then you just squeeze both sides. You hear the clicking sound, and it's locked in. And then to take it off, it's really simple. There's a little button right here on the side, and all you gotta do is squeeze it. And I'm gonna hold it a little bit longer than normal, and you can see it slowly opening. Normally you wouldn't hold that long. You take the phone out, and you're good to go. So quick and easy, put your phone in, take your phone out. And it does have a little padding right here, a little grip and a little padding. There's some rubber padding here as well, so you don't have to worry about squishing your old device. And it gets pretty wide, as you can see here. I mean, my whole entire hand's in there, so that's gonna fit a pretty big device. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.